Jimbo's Garage.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Jimbo's Garage. Well, tonight we got a special little project. It's probably going to be a two-part project, maybe three-part project. What we have here is a platform for theatrical production. It's kind of like a circus, like a half-round circus stool. It's got 1.5-inch square tube radius, bent 6 foot to the outside, 3 foot deep. It's going to be 36 inches tall, and we're going to have 1.5-inch legs that are every 16 inches apart on the inside right here. I'm going to put a drop shelf stand on the inside about 1 foot down from the top. We're going to put plywood on that, and then later they're going to paint it, and they're going to put fabric or something on the outside to do whatever they need for their prop and their show. So what I've already had done, obviously, I've already had my metal shop fabricate this radius. This is the reason why I didn't start from the beginning on this, is because it's pretty complicated. It took me a couple of hours just to get to where we're at right here, and I thought I'd start with start the production right here. So we're going to start by cutting these legs for this thing all the way around. On this point right here, the actual bending machine, when they put the radius on here, from the very beginning, they have a kink in it, and it's offset by 1/8 of an inch right here. So these first two legs are going to be 33 1/8 inches long, and then the rest of the legs are going to be 33 inches. And we'll start by cutting those up right now. All right. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do right now is clean the surface of all these with some acetone. Get everything all cleaned up so it's nice and clean. Now this steel from the steel mill comes with a coating of oil on it. I guess if it didn't do that, it would probably rust a lot faster. We're just going to wipe it off right here with some acetone. Catch all 4 sides of it. Okay, so I think I'm going to take an angle grinder and just catch the edges of all this stuff right here real quick. We'll just run an angle grinder with a flat disc on the rounds of this, round the corners up on this a little bit, make everything all nice and smooth and easy to work with. All right, now that that's all done, this will be fun. I don't know how well this is going to work doing this by myself, but we're going to give it a shot, and we'll see what happens here. I first need to find the two pieces that are 33 1/8. Yeah, these two right here, 33 1/8. All right, we're going to stick those on there, and we're going to stick these on here. And I'm going to go ahead and try to get this balanced out and get it stuck on here. And then we'll break out the TIG welder and tack them in place. All right. All right, we're just going to go ahead and tack this on here right now. And I'll go around and tack all these legs on right now, and then plumb them all up, and see what we got. Alright guys, this has taken an incredible long time to do. What's happening is the tube bender, when they made the radius on this 1.5 inch tubing, when it goes through the bender, it cups the material right here. So these legs aren't fitting perfectly flat on here, and I'm having a hell of a time trying to get everything plumb and straight. But anyways, what we're probably going to end up doing is just tacking these last 3 legs on right here. These last 4 legs, and then we'll pick it up in part 2, and let's get after it and see if I can get these things put on here. All right. Alright guys, that was a lot harder than I thought. This thing being cupped like it is, took a long time to get these things on there and tacked up, so we're going to pick it up in part 2 and get the other side of this thing on and get the shelf in. Alright, good night.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.